over. Okay, hi, we are on
Part 2 of What Am I Eating with the Lizzie Fossil Show.
Alright, she has something in her hand to eat right now.
Disgusting Twizzlers.
Alright, next thing you're gonna love, I think.
Cookies!
Does she like it?
Yes.
And one little thing left that I thought it was before.
Oh my god, what is this? If I squish it, will it pop?
Don't squish it. If you squish it, it'll go all over the place.
Is this washed?
Just eat it.
It's a grape that's not washed.
Oh, okay, I'll wash it.
In this thing. Just wash it a little bit.
I took it out of the bag.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, give it back. Did you rub it on your hands?
With water.
I'm not eating it.
Okay, well, at least you know what it was. Right?
Okay.
That's all that counts. Bye, guys.
Bye.